Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use your car wash mode in your Tesla Model Y. Now, very simple. You're going to go right into the main menu. In the most recent update, they actually moved the car wash mode right into this main screen from the control section, and it is going to be right there. Once I hit that button, it's going to give you a disclaimer letting me know that, yep, you're going to enter the car wash mode. I'm going to hit yes. And immediately you actually hear a little bit of a sealing sound or like a click sound. I'm not really sure how to explain that, but you hear a little sound as soon as you do that. Because what it's doing is it's locking up a couple of things. It's locking up your charge port in the back, your frunk and your trunk gets locked as well. And then your walkaway door lock gets turned off and your automatic wipers get turned off as well. The parking assist chime gets turned off. Sentry mode gets turned off as well. And because the vents that are actually on the outside of the car get sealed off so water does not get through it. So all the air that I'm getting right now is all recirculated from the air conditioner inside the car. And all this will remain in this screen right here as long as I'm driving under 10 miles an hour. As soon as I start driving over 10 miles an hour, this screen will automatically go away. Now, if I want to get out of the screen manually, I don't have to start driving, or maybe I'm going to go park somewhere. But what I'm going to do is actually do it manually right here and exit car wash mode. The other thing that you'll see is that right before you go into the car wash, you can actually fold your mirrors by hitting this button right here. And you can unfold them again. Once you have your screen set up, you're ready to go into the car wash. Now, you don't have to do this way before you go into the car wash. You can do it as you're driving up to the entry. Now, the car will remain in the free roll while I'm in the conveyor belt in the car wash. So it actually will just roll on the conveyor belt. It won't stop, or it won't use regen braking. It won't use any of those things. As I'm getting pushed out of the conveyor belt, I get the green button. I hit it and drive, start driving. So, like I mentioned before, if you want to exit the screen, you can either go 10 miles an hour and above, or just hit the exit car wash from this screen right here. And that's how you use car wash mode. If you like videos like this, consider liking and subscribing to this video. Let me know in the comments below, did I miss anything from the car wash mode sequence? Or do you use car wash mode? Is this the first time you're hearing about it? Let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.